12th Bio-Zoology, Chapter 7, Human Health and Diseases. In this part, we are going to study about immune responses. Immune system shows response after the entry of the foreign disease-causing pathogen. It is the reaction of immune system to the pathogen. When the immune system meets the pathogen for the first time, it will not show the response immediately. The immune system has to study about the foreign agent. The immune system has to analyze and recognize the foreign agent, and then slowly it produces antibodies. The antibody production takes place slowly. The antibodies are slowly produced. Slowly the antibody level increases. This happens when the immune system meets the foreign pathogen for the first time. This is called as primary immune response. After the antibody production, memory lymphocytes are produced. When the immune system meets the same foreign pathogen, that is antigen, for the second time, there will not be delay in showing the response. When the immune system meets the foreign agent for the second time, when the system meets the same foreign agent for the second time, it will show the response without any delay. Antibody production starts within 2 to 3 hours, and the antibody level reaches peak very soon. This is called as secondary immune response, because the first reaction was in the memory. When the immune system is exposed to the antigen for the first time, it will show slow response. Antibody level increases very slowly. Antibody level reaches after a long period of time. Then suddenly the antibody level declines. When the immune system meets the same foreign agent for the second time, that is second exposure to the antigen, that is called a secondary immune response. In that case, the antibody level reaches peak faster, and there is no sudden decline in the level of antibodies. Now let us see the differences between primary immune response and secondary immune response. The secondary immune response is called a booster response. Primary immune response occurs as a result of primary contact with the antigen. Secondary immune response happens when the immune system meets the antigen for the second time. The immune system meets the same antigen for the second time. Secondary immune response takes place. In primary immune response, antibody level reaches peak in 7 to 10 days. Here in secondary immune response, within 3 to 5 days, antibody level reaches peak. Prolonged period is required to establish immunity. Antibody formation starts slowly. It establishes immunity in a short period of time because the first reaction was in the memory. There is rapid decline in the antibody level in primary immune response. In secondary immune response, the antibody level remains high for long period. Immune system has lymphoid organs. The lymphoid organs are concerned with the development of lymphocytes. Here also the primary immune response and secondary immune response involve the role of lymphoid organs. Primary immune response appears mainly in lymph node and spleen. Lymph node and spleen are secondary lymphoid organs. Secondary immune response mainly occurs in bone marrow. Bone marrow is a primary lymphoid organ. That is followed by spleen and lymph nodes. In the next video, we shall discuss about primary lymphoid organs.